Oh, my friends, it's Coach Vigue. I just did the workout you're about to do. It is a doozy. It is 15 minutes of all body weight, six-pack abs and core and cores exercises. What I did is I added progressive destabilization. What that means is the further you go into the workout, the more challenging it gets, so your body is forced to adapt and strengthen in real time. Are you ready? Let's click that like button and let's get shredded.
Deux champagnes américains.
Yeah. All right, let's begin in boat pose. Are you ready? I am. Feet coming off the mat. Shoulders back and down, hands on the backs of the legs, or take the arms forward. Keep a steady breath going as we combine repetition-based exercises with isometric holds to really power our core and our entire body. 5 breaths. I'm gonna switch up the breath now and then for myself. In the nose, out the nose, in the nose, out the mouth. You pick yours. Just don't pick anyone else's, right? Fingers and toes are loose. Shoulders are relaxed. Emphasis in the abdominals. As we flow, flow, flow. Modify as needed. Always use control. All right, lower down. For the crisscross, 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Pop it back up. Half boat, or if you want, take the legs all the way out for full boat. I'm gonna keep it here. How about that? But you do what you must do. 4 more breaths. Neck is loose, face is soft. Enjoy the beautiful lake and the birds singing, the fish jumping, the abs shaking. I'm already shaking. Is that a good sign? You betcha. And again, 20 crisscrosses. Down we go. Smooth. Lift the chest across. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, bring it up. Crisscross boat. Now we combine the two, progressive destabilization. And we take one leg out, twist. 20 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's a killer. Is it 9, 10? 10 more. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, whoa, 19, 20. Almost fell over there, I did. Now the pulsing scissors. Right leg up, left leg out. We inhale, soften, exhale, reach. 10 times each side. Or fingers to the back of the head. 2, 3, 4, 5. Good form over everything. 6, 7. Huge flexibility on the legs. 8, 9, 10. Switch the legs. 10 times. Here we go. Bend, inhale, exhale. 1, 2. You feel that? 3, I do. Oh yes. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 more, 9, 10. Okay, rock it back up. When you're ready, 20 of the boat crisscrosses. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm still smiling. Why? I don't know. 14, you got it. 15, 16. Oh my goodness. And the pulsing scissors, bring it down. If you got to shake it out in between, go ahead. You want to run to the bathroom or just run around your room for a little bit, go ahead. Here we go, 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Core strength and flexibility training. 5, 6. Remember, you can also do this. 7, 8. Oh my goodness, 9. Wait, what am I doing? And 10. All right, got a little sloppy there. That happens though. Progressive destabilization, we're constantly adding on. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Give me some single straight leg stretch here. Classic Pilates. Grab as high as you can on that right leg. Exhale, pull 10 times. Inhale, switch. Pull, squeezing the abs, stretching the legs. 3, 4, 5, 6. Slow it down. Really stretch and squeeze the abs. 7. You want that flexibility. You want that mobility. That is life. That is success. That will follow you wherever you go and whatever you do. Core strength, flexibility training. All right, back up to half boat pose. What is it with this guy in boats? Love boats. Now we do boat with a twist 10 times. So bring it. Why is my pocket out? Okay, that was a killer core pocket maneuver. We exhale, twist. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Inhale, exhale. 5, 6. You got jazz hands. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, lower down for the scissors crisscross. Keep adding on, keep adding on. Right leg up, left leg out. Reach across, left leg out, not lift. And 20 times. 1. I'm gonna roll down the hill, but I'll be happy. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh yes, come back up, come back up. Bolt with a twist 10 times. We're getting there. This is short but powerful, never a wasted moment. Always doing something extraordinary for ourselves. 10 times, twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My legs are feeling it. 7, 8, 9, 10. And down. 4. Scissors crisscross. Right leg up, left leg up. 20 times. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. Ready? And 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, quick stretch. Drop those legs side to side. Also great for the sides, great for the abdominals. I like these pants. What do you think? Take the top leg out. Extend. Extend. Try to keep this right around 10 minutes. That's a great short chunk where you can, I'm gonna keep kicking something, where you can fit it in anywhere during your day. Anywhere, anytime. One more time, each side. Boom. All right, one last thing down here on our back. Single leg circles, right leg up, left leg out, or place the left foot flat. Hands here, here, or behind the head. Circle 10 times, either direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We go one direction, we must go the other. Here we are. Stir that peanut butter. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Other leg. Extend that right leg out. Left leg up, tall. Here we go. And either direction. 10 times. 1, 2. Lots of breath. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go. Other direction. You have it, my friend. Let's do it. Let's all do it together. 1, 2, 3. Share this workout with somebody who loves a challenge. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Come on up. Come on up. Let's do a little ab stretch here before we finish off this marvelous workout. Hands on the shoulders. Cobra or press up into upward facing dog. Knees can be down or lift the knees off the mat. Stretch the abs, a little shimmy side to side. Very important, keep the front, the anterior chain of your body open. Keep it expanding. This is precise chaos, precision chaos that we're doing here. Hitting all areas of our core, and then it travels out through the body to all parts, arms, legs, shoulders, chest. All right, pulsing forearm plank. 10 times. Inhale forward, exhale back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lower down, extend the arms forward, long stretch. We're going to do the Superman, holding for 5 breaths. Fingers and toes reaching away and lift it all up. 5 breaths. Sculpting the back muscles, the glutes, the shoulders, and flexibility in the spine. Yes. And again, the pulsing plank, 10 times, a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And once again, Superman, 5 breaths, isometric hold, really challenging the muscles, challenging the endurance. Here we go. 5 slow breaths. Beautiful Lake Neshonoc behind us, where I learned how to skate for hockey back in 19... Great for fishing too. I taught my son how to cast here. All right, press it back. Just for a moment, child's pose. Stretch out the spine. We have plank ups. And we are going to do 20. You could watch it first, practice, and then join me. 20. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, a little faster, 8, practice, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, oh my goodness, 19, so good, 20, up, down, stretch. All right, open it up. Now we come to the extra credit portion. You could stop here, or I got a real doozy coming up, my friends. Extra credit, a couple isometric holds. The first one is a hover. Gonna hold it for about 10 breaths. So shake out the arms, shake out the wrist, grab a drink, run around the block a little bit, and then join me. Here we go. For the hover. Let's see, I guess let's do it here. Hands under the shoulders. We lower down, parallel with the ground, hold. 10 breaths. Slow breaths, that is. You'll hate me. Oh, but you'll love me tomorrow. So you see all those muscles forming, working together, toning, strengthening. Three more deep breaths. 2 more. Shaking, shaking, shaking. 1 more. Extra credit. Get it. Okay. And then press back. Child's pose. Sway it side to side. 1 more. Hover variation. 90-degree hover. You can always repeat this workout as much as you wish. It's all yours. It's all yours, my friends. Let's do it this way because it looks cool. All right, good job. Excellent work. Hands out. Hold it for 10 breaths. We bend about 90 degrees right here. Hold. This one is a doozy. Already shaking. Slow down the breath. Work harder. Work more efficiently. Packing in so much more in less time. And practice, practice. Tu dois pratiquer. Ich muss üben. Three more breaths. Woohoo! All right, my friend, shake it out. Little child's pose. Stretch it out. Oh, wonderful work, wonderful work. My pants are coming down. If you like this video, if this was right up your alley, please click that like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell to never miss my workout. I highly, highly appreciate it, my friends. It helps these videos get out to more and more people. Stretch out the spine. Good. Spinal flexibility, spinal mobility, the muscles in the back. You always want to finish your workouts with some expansion. Now come forward, cobra or up dog. Get your breath. You can always repeat that sequence anywhere, anytime, all body weight. The hallmarks of this channel of Coach Vigue, the Sean Vigue Fitness channel. Oh, my friends, beautiful, beautiful work. And as always, Coach Vigue, we'll see you around. Hey, I love training with you. Here's what I'm gonna do. I wanna give you my most popular yoga video from the Sean Vigue Fitness app. All you have to do is click the first link down below and it's yours. Do it right now.